Hi, welcome to RobotWorks video tutorial. Today we will show you how to integrate FLYBOARD 1000 onto your custom developed UAV system. To demonstrate that, we will use RobotWorks Blackfly aerial modular service platform with integrated brushless motors and compatible electronic speed controllers. Here we have FLYBOARD 1000 that can be either integrated with Intel Galileo Generation 2 or Arduino microcontroller, and it also incorporates a 6-channel RC receiver. First step is to mount the FLYBOARD onto your structure. Now that FLYBOARD is securely attached to your structure, we have to attach a power source to the board. Next step is to attach electronic speed controller of each motor to the FLYBOARD by securing its power and PWM control cable. We have to do this for all 4 motors. Once everything is integrated and powered on, you can upload your code to the microcontroller and your UAV is ready for action.